Hey everyone, welcome to today's vlog. It feels like it's been forever since I have vlogged because it really has been forever since I vlogged. Last week was such a rough week. There was a lot of sickness, a lot of craziness. I tried to plan my week out, nothing went as planned, which is okay, that happens sometimes. But I just want to get on a better schedule, and it's like things are fighting against me, but I will get there. So the first day, I didn't vlog until the evening, and pretty much I'm just showing you that we are eating Home Chef. So I've never heard of Home Chef before. When I checked out their menu, I was like, yes, this looks delicious. So we tried out a couple of the meals, and the first night I made, hold on, let me find my stuff. Okay, I found the recipe. Also, Home Chef gives you this like recipe holder, and all the recipes come with holes so that you can just put it right into this binder. They have, let me see. They have like 18 options. Let me make sure that's right. 18 weekly menu options. That is so many. And when I tell you it was hard for me to decide, it was hard for me to decide. But I did keep in mind that Casey has like cut carbs. And so I knew I wanted something with low carbs. And I've been watching my carbs, just trying to eat more balanced. And I knew that we really wanted to try to pick healthy options. So what I ended up choosing, the first night we had weeknight steak fajitas. They were delicious. My entire family loved them. They were really easy to prepare. The great thing about Home Chef is that you can cook these meals in like 30 minutes. That's how long most of them take. And it was really quick, which was nice because things were just crazy. Layla, are you being nice to Rosie? You love her? Are you trying to get her out? I just got Rosie a little like gate, a big thing to play in so that she has boundaries, and Layla's in there like trying to break her out. I'll show you guys in a second. It's really cute. Anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. The recipes are so easy to follow. So no matter your experience with cooking, you'll be able to follow these recipes. If you're a great cook, then you'll have no problem. If you are kind of like me and you're always like, I don't know if I'm doing this right, and you just feel like you're not a great cook, then don't worry, because I made these, and even that night Casey was like, those were really good, thank you. I was like, no problem. And tonight we're having apple cherry chicken salad. Looks delicious, and this meal looks so easy to quickly put together. The great thing is it also lets you know, the nutrition in each of the meals. So if you're trying to like track that or keep track of that, kind of like we're doing, it takes that guesswork out for you, which is really nice, and I like that. The other thing that I really love is that Home Chef makes sure that everything is pre-portioned, so you're not going to waste a bunch of ingredients. So anyways, I'm gonna make this tonight for dinner. I need something lighter tonight, so I'm really, really happy that we have this. A big thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to get $30 off your first order, you can click the link in the description box below. You're gonna love it. I will let you know how the salad tastes, but it looks amazing. I'm going to cook that in just a second. And back to the rest of the vlog. This next clip, I was thinking that we were getting better, and I was very wrong. So we woke up, Layla had a good morning. She seemed to be feeling better. Gager had been sick, but he was feeling better. Winston had kind of been neglected a little bit because there was so much, you know, so many other things going on, and he's been helping so much with Rosie. So in the meantime, we've been trying to like potty train her and watch her close. She likes chewing on things, but she's been so much fun. Oh my gosh, we love her. She's like the greatest, and I'm so happy that we have her. And she actually has been a really good girl, but Winston has been helping so much, and he loves her. When I ask him at night what his favorite part of the day was, he always says playing with Rosie. So anyways, I just love that. So when we woke up, I wanted to do something fun with the kids, so we played with play-doh. My kids love playing with play-doh, and we don't do it that often because one, they absolutely ruin all of the play-doh. So it's like unless I remember to buy it a lot, we don't have any because it's ruined. I should just start making homemade play-doh. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So we normally use it one time, it's dried out, it's all mixed together, and it's trash. So I got cookie cutters out, and they had so much fun. Good morning, everyone. We're having a really good morning. It is pure chaos here, but we're having a good morning. No one's gonna know what you're talking about because you're far into the song. What are you singing? A doo-dee-da, a doo-dee-da, a doo-dee-da-da. That's a fun song, huh? Thumbs up, shoulders back, knees together. No. Oh, sorry. Oh, legs apart. Knees together. A doody da da. Do you want to pick some cookie cutters to play with? Yeah, pick some. Look, Winston, these are letters. Here, do you want to just take these out and then you guys can go through them? Oh, our eggs are ready. While we were like just hanging out and not really doing anything, I watched Netflix. They have the lady that wrote the book, The Art of Tidying Up or whatever, and she did an episode with a family. It's the first episode and it inspired me so much. I've been wanting to get organized. I had already actually ordered like things to organize, but after watching that I was just like, this has to happen. And so I've gotten rid of a lot of things. I've been going through things because she says like take everything out and go through it so that you actually see everything that you have, and that's what I've been doing. Anyways, I'm gonna get eggs. I just made some eggs. I'm gonna get these eggs ready, get their Play-Doh going, and then I'll kind of show you what I've been up to. You're what? Pumpkin bad guy. I'm pumpkin bad guy. Let's see you, Layla. You're an Easter egg. Are you guys ready?
Mom, this is wrap. I will make this is wrap.
Oh, awesome.
Today's
Today's such a good day. I'm really happy. Even though I'm surrounded by like messes, I'm so happy. Nice job. That is so cool, Winston. Yeah, I like it.
That's like lamp. Damn, I'm a lamp.
What? You want more?
Okay.
Layla, what color is this? This one. Yellow. What's this? What color is this? Pink. Good girl. Where is purple? What color is this? Purple. Good. You don't need more Play-Doh. We just need to spread this out. Okay, let's work on spreading it out. Winston's been mixing the colors together to make new colors, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you can. Just be patient. And then later that day, Layla ended up getting sick again and throwing up. So we watched her close. And when your kid has the flu, which I'm assuming she had, you need to make sure to stay on top of fluids. So that's pretty much what our days have consisted of, is just trying to keep fluids in her. We've called and talked to the nurses, and they've just said the same thing, just keep watching her. She does have an appointment to go to the doctor, so we're gonna get her checked out just to make sure, but she does seem to be feeling better today. No throwing up. I really hope that she's feeling better. She seems a lot better. A little later, Casey took the older kids to Geronimo's. I stayed here with Layla because she wasn't feeling well. So it was a fun day. It didn't go as planned. Didn't finish getting things organized like I had hoped, but that stuff can always wait. When you have a sick kid, that's all that matters, and it was fine. So I have gotten like the kitchen cleaned up a little bit. I do have a few more things. So I got a lot of stuff from the dollar store for organizing and just picked a few more things up, and I'm going to try to finish getting things organized. But then I realized I haven't really been vlogging any of it. So I'm going to try to kind of just break each room down and show you what I did. Although when I was thinking about doing those videos, I feel like a mess when I'm organizing. So I didn't even know, like, anyways, it will be a before and after. I love before and after. So anyways, that's what we're doing now. We're just hanging out. The boys are downstairs cleaning or fighting, whatever. And Layla's laying down. She just left Rosie. She gave up on breaking her out. And I'm gonna show you this. Look how absolutely darling is. So Layla was like trying to pull these out to get her out of there. I don't know how she figured out that she could do that, but Rosie was sleepy, so she stayed in. Anyways, I just got this gate so that we can kind of keep her right here, but she doesn't feel alone. And I don't do this all the time. Just if I'm busy and I know I'm not going to be able to keep an eye on her, I'll keep her in here, and then I'll let her out to go potty, and then I'll let her run around the house. But just to keep her safe, I have kept her in there if I know I can't keep an eye on her, because I don't want her like chewing on something that she shouldn't, or getting lost or stuck, or, you know, until she gets used to the house and things. So, but she's been so much much fun. I love her. Anyways, I'm going to get started on dinner and then we'll check back in. This smells so good. It's almost ready. Just have to put it all together. I'm excited, and this made it so much easier. I didn't even have to cook this, and I'm so grateful, especially tonight because, you know, craziness. But it looks delicious, so good. So these are basically like recipes that you're familiar with. They just add like a special touch or things you wouldn't think of, like adding craisins and almonds to your salad. Also, everything was labeled gluten-free, which we appreciate here for Bray Bray. So again, this is what we're having tonight. Apple cherry chicken salad. You ready to eat? Smells good, huh? Okay, so I'm just gonna put all this together. Super easy. And then I'll put all of the garbage back into the bag and throw it away. It can all be recycled. Thumbs up. What?
I want that apple.
You want the apples? The apples will be in the salad. Yum.
Yeah.
Would you say you want apples too? Say apple.
Apple.
Good job. Our salad is finished and it looks delicious. You could also portion out the dressing and have it on the side if you want. For my family, it's just easier to mix it all in there together so it's all mixed up and nice and ready to eat. This looks delicious. I am like 100% a salad person. I could eat them for lunch and dinner and snacks in between. I love really good salads, especially when you add different things like the dried cherries and almonds and apples. I love stuff like that in salads. So I'm gonna serve this up. We're gonna have some dinner and I'm gonna try to get a few more things organized before we go to bed. Layla's kind of sad, so we might just eat and then hang out. Are you sad? Yeah? Come here. Dang it. We might just get ready and go to bed. She's so sad. I think we need like one more good night's sleep. We did get good sleep last night, and I think if we can have one more good night's sleep, then we'll be good to go. Oh, look at our Rosie. She is the cutest, huh? We love her so much. Do you love her? Uh-huh. Is she your favorite part of the day? Yeah, she is fun. She's a good girl. Winston is now eating his second bowl of salad. Good job, buddy. He loves it. And then there's still enough left that I can have some for lunch tomorrow.
Chef?
I am a chef. Mom, are you a chef? The other great news is that Layla just fell asleep. So I'm gonna hurry and get a few things done. Sorry, this vlog is another one that's just all over the place. What's wrong?
I want Sour Patch Kids.
You want Sour Patch Kids?
Why do I look so red on camera?
You don't really when I'm editing. It's just like the screen thing on the
I
counter.
don't want a bagel with strawberry cream cheese.
Does anyone know where we could find yummy gluten-free bagels? Oh, look how cute we are.
I look like a lion.
Gator's downstairs.
Can we please go somewhere?
I don't want to. I don't want to go anywhere.
I'll drive.
I'll drive. Really will be driving soon. How crazy is that? Anyways, we love you. We're gonna go to bed. We're gonna get a good night's sleep. I hope you all get a good night's sleep. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.